Top 10 major differences between Python and Java. 1. Type. Python, interpreted scripting language. Java, compiled, statically typed language. 2. Syntax. Python, clean and readable syntax. Java, more verbose syntax with explicit type declarations. 3. Memory management. Python, automatic garbage collection. Java, requires explicit memory management, manual allocation and deallocation. 4. Concurrency. Python, global interpreter lock, GIL, limits concurrent execution of threads. Java, supports multi-threading and multiprocessing, better for concurrent programming. 5. Performance. Python, generally slower than Java. Java, generally faster than Python, especially for computationally intensive tasks. 6. Platform independence. Python, platform independent. Java, platform independent through the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. 7. Use cases. Python, web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scripting. Java, enterprise applications, mobile applications, Android, large-scale systems. 8. Learning curve. Python, easy to learn, beginner-friendly. Java, steeper learning curve for beginners. 9. Deployment. Python, easier deployment, less boilerplate code. Java, requires more configuration and boilerplate code for deployment. 10. Concurrency. Python, can be limited in handling multiple tasks at once due to GIL. Java, good at handling many tasks simultaneously with support for multi-threading. Please subscribe Code with VITHU channel for more videos.